guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I will be reviewing a new foundation. So actually BECCA Cosmetics gifted me their 24-hour full coverage foundation in the color walnut and their backlight primer. So this will be super cool. I've heard great things about BECCA, but I've never tried them before. So I'm super excited to try these. So make sure you all keep watching. Bye. So wow, this is really pretty. I love just simple packaging that is like this. Like, I love that kind of packaging. How many ounces is this? This is 30 milliliters, so it's the same amount of primer as the foundation. So that's super cool. You get a lot of primer. Let's see how I feel about this, you guys. Ooh, so it looks like kind of beigeish. That's cool. Let's see. Ooh. It smells like it's something very familiar. It smells like something very familiar, you guys. It smells. Okay, you guys, so let me rub that in a little more. So I have applied the primer. It got a little shine to it. I think I really judge primer by how it feels when I put the foundation on. That's going to tell me everything I need to know about the primer. But this is the BECCA Cosmetics foundation in the color walnut, like I said earlier. So this is the foundation. This is really cute. Super simple and cute. I don't know, I just like my foundation, like products simple. Everything else I want it to be like elaborate, but my foundation, I like that simple. So I'm going to be applying it with just my beauty blender, my sponge. I hope this isn't too dark for me. Oh. Oh. So this foundation is too dark for me. You know what? Let's try to blend it in. Maybe I'm being crazy. Let's try to blend it in. Okay, that side really doesn't look bad. It looks like it almost works over here. It may look good, okay? It may look good. It may end up looking good. But the good thing is, it's always better to get a foundation too dark for you than a foundation too light for you. Because that, you can't do anything with a foundation that is too light for you. I promise you, you cannot at all. So don't try. But too dark is workable. So let me contour and highlight, and I'll be right back. We'll see how this foundation pans out. Okay, guys, so I just like highlight under my eyes. And guys, this looks so pretty now. Like, I don't know, I was a little scared. That's why I say it's always better to get your foundation. Like, if you just are completely torn between two colors, always get the darker color. Because you can make it look good. I promise you, you can. If it's close to you, of course. But this looks cute now. Like, oh, okay. I was so scared, you guys. I was like, oh my God. But yeah, this looks kind of cute, you guys. But let me finish my makeup. Y'all, I look so glamorous. I just finished my makeup, you guys. Like, y'all, this doesn't look like I did it. Like, it looked like somebody else did it. Like, this looks amazing. It has me questioning, like, have I been getting the wrong foundation color all this time? Because I like this. Like, by the time I like contour and like highlight under my eyes, everything just started to make sense. But you guys, this foundation is so great. I don't know, like, have I been getting the wrong color this whole time? But I love this foundation and the primer. I don't know if it was the combination, but the BECCA Cosmetics foundation and primer is the truth, you guys. It is amazing. I look so like, oh, I need to go take a picture. I don't know. I'm going to go take a picture somewhere. I don't know where, but this is so cute, you guys. Okay, you guys. Okay. Thank you all for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day, you guys. I will make sure to put the link to this foundation and primer in the bio, in my bio, not the bio, the description box. But anyway, you guys, thank you all for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.